So if you are searching for a solution to drink your coffee in capsules, wherever you want, whenever you want, I have here a solution, the NS adapter for the Wacaco Nanopresso. Is it good? Is it bad? If you want to know everything, you know what you have to do. You have to stay tuned after the intro. So out of the box, what you are going to find: a bag to bring your NS adapter wherever you want, a brush to clean this one, and obviously the star of the show, the NS adapter. This part here is where you are going to put the capsules, and this one you are going to attach to your Wacaco Nanopresso in this way. So if you want to know a little bit more about this product, I've done a review recently about the Wacaco Nanopresso that I'll leave in the description and also on the cards above me. So one of the first questions that you can have is which capsules I can use with the NS adapter from Wacaco, and the ones that you can use is from a very big company that we all know, that the name starts by an N and finish in Presso. So for sure you know which company it is, but I'm not allowed to say the name. And you also can use the capsules, they are compatible with the machines of that brand. So I have here one from Aldi and I have here the original one. But the funny fact is I have a problem with one of them that happens few times, not all the time, but it happens few times, and I'll let you know which one it is. So if you are like me and you like a very hot coffee, the first thing that you have to do before you take your coffee, you have to do a preheat of your Wacaco Nanopresso and the adapter. And if you can, also do a preheat on the cup where you are going to put your coffee, okay? In this case I'm not going to do it because I have already put the sugar here, but otherwise you'll do exactly the same that you do to the machine that I'm going to show you in a minute. So right here I have already my Xiaomi smart kettle with water, with warm water. If you want to see this one, I can review on the channel, let me know in the comments below. But let's put some water inside the Wacaco Nanopresso. I'm going to close this. Now we are going to put obviously your NS adapter. We close. And now you are going to press like you was taking a coffee, okay? And if I was also warming the cup, what I was going to do, I was going to put some water there and I'll leave there in the meantime that I'm doing this to the Wacaco Nanopresso. So you press until you take all your water. So in that way you are warming all the body from the inside of your Wacaco. So right now you still have water, but the majority have already passed. Normally do that, so be careful when you turn upside down. And after you just take all the rest of the water. So I normally don't take this part in the beginning. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some water once again. I close it. And now I'm going to open this part. So when you do that, you have here the adapter where you're going to put the capsules. So you always have some water, so you are going to take the water out, and when you want to assemble the capsule, you are going to assemble always in this way. So you have your Wacaco like that, and you are going to press the capsule until it stays in place. So I have already here the one from the Nanopresso, so you already know which one it is. Never leave the water inside there, you know, inside the adapter, so you always take the rest of that water out, okay? Otherwise you have more probabilities to happen what I'm going to talk in a minute, okay? So when you finish to assemble all this, let's see if it's going to happen. So you already know that the problem are with the original ones. Normally what I do is I also press on the sink or wherever I am the first time. So right now I don't have any pressure. Basically it's trying to open the capsule. Okay, so now you already start, and before it starts coming out the coffee, I start bringing the coffee here. So many times I think is the bottom part, this area here, is thicker in the capsules from Nanopresso. What happens is sometimes the hole that it makes on the capsule is so big that all the powder of the coffee starts to go inside your coffee. So normally when I'm doing the pressure and I start feeling that the pressure is going up, I do really slow. When I'm using these ones, they are just compatible ones, I never had any issue. But I have already here my coffee, and let's see if the coffee is good or not. And let's take this coffee. And once again, it's perfect. The only thing that I'll have done different, like I said to you guys, it was to warm the cup. And like you can see, the coffee is really thick, like you can expect from this type of coffee from Nanopresso. So I'm really happy with this one. You just have that problem, like I told you guys, that sometimes the capsule, the hole on the capsule is too big and the powder of the capsule comes out. That happens with the ones from Nanopresso. It doesn't happen, at least with the ones from Aldi. I'm not doing publicity to them. Obviously the taste is not comparable. It's much better with the original ones. If you do in another way, so you put the capsule and you attach to the adapter, and after you attach the adapter to the Wacaco Nanopresso, you are going to have more issues. So that was happening since the first time. So I've done it that way and it was giving me issues. After I left the water on this area of the Wacaco, like I told you guys, that you have to take it out, and it happens once again. So I'm trying just to avoid that you waste some capsules from the company Nanopresso. But can I recommend this adapter for the Wacaco Nanopresso? Yes, I can, because it's the one that I use every single week, at least 4 times a week. That is the days that I'm working. So if you are searching for a solution to drink your coffee in capsules, you have here. You can take it wherever you want, whenever you want. So let me know in the comments below what you think about this machine and this adapter. Before you go, thank you very much to being that side. My name is Marco, this is MedPack. If it's your first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment below, share this video with your family and friends, smash the thumbs up, but always with a smile on your face, and I hope to see you in the next one.